To allow and deny app permissions on Android, you need to understand the concept of app permissions and how they work. App permissions are used by apps to access certain features and data on your device, such as your location, camera, and contacts. When you install an app, it will request the necessary permissions to function properly. You can choose to allow or deny these permissions depending on your preferences. To manage app permissions on your Android device, go to the Settings menu and select Apps. From here you can view a list of all installed apps on your device. Select the app you want to manage and scroll down to the Permissions section. In this section you will see a list of permissions the app has requested and whether they are allowed or denied. To allow or deny a permission, toggle the switch next to it. If you deny a permission, the app may not function properly or may not function at all. It is essential to review the permissions requested by an app before installing it to ensure you are comfortable with the data and features it can access. Some best practices to keep in mind when managing app permissions include only granting permissions that are necessary for the app to function and regularly reviewing the permissions of installed apps to ensure they have not changed. Additionally, be cautious of apps that request a large number of permissions or permissions that seem unnecessary for the app to function. By managing app permissions effectively, you can help protect your personal data and maintain the security of your Android device. It is also worth noting that Android provides a feature called Permission Groups, which categorizes permissions into groups such as location and camera. This makes it easier to manage permissions and understand what data and features an app can access. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage app permissions on your Android device and ensure your personal data and device security are protected.